history, Sashco history tour right here. So check that out. It starts BC, 80, 1500s, 18, the history of caulking, actually.
That's cool.
So I guess according to the biblical text, Noah's Ark is protected with
Pitch.
sheltering coat. Sheltering coat equals caulk. Good thing that was a lot of rain. So it goes all the way back to the biblical days. Kind of cool. So I recently got sent this shirt, and I stared at that for a long time, and it kind of gave me a headache, trying to figure out what it was. But what does that mean? What does it say?
That means if you know, you know. And we're kind of playing off the joke that, Sashco's a little bit more niche in the sealant market, right? Like, you walk in, you see the shelf. Sashco's not probably going to be the first product that you see, but if you've used the products, you figure out that, we've designed them to last. And if you become a fan of Sashco products, then you're kind of in this club that has figured it out.
So if you know how good they really are, you'll probably use them.
How long does it take?
It depends on how long it goes.
Stressing out some sealants here.
Alright, gonna start it.
Do you have this set to move like 2 inches a minute or something like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we can film this?
Go for it.
Thank
You
you.
can see it moving. And obviously this is much faster than a sealant is going to move in the wild, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the carpenter's room. So they make all their own samples here. Like if you come to their courses, they do have courses. They teach installing chinking. And so they got actual walls that they build. So you'll learn how to chink the right way. So they're building all these. Here's samples. Stain samples. So there's one guy that just makes samples here. This is his shop. Pretty dang cool.
3 people.
3 people. Look at they got just a little bit of product to go here at Sashco to ship out. Look how small he is compared to that. That is crazy. I don't think they're going to be running out of any of their products anytime soon. The heck? Look at that. Oh my gosh. That would be just a little bit of big stretch right there. So I think we're gonna be my next order. I'm gonna be placing right there.
This is where you can kind of get the big